guys, welcome back to another new video. Today this hair is coming out. I'm gonna give you guys some updates on the Aroid Asia video, and of course Valentino is here. I suppose some coffee like right there. Can you guys see that? Wait, that spot. I'm gonna go and share with you guys some updates on the plants, and I have some pretty good news, to be honest. Like, they look pretty good, and I'm super duper excited to share with y'all. So let's just jump into it. So as of right now, this is how the plant room looks. No, and your scratching post. Thank you, sir. Alrighty guys, so this is how the plant room looks right now. I am going to be rearranging everything here. I'm gonna put some Planty videos and watch some Plantarina or Garden Answer and just start organizing all these plants, because like they need to be reorganized instead of the grow lights. But I ended up rearranging or cleaning the entire closet. It was a complete mess, and now it looks a lot better and cleaner, which makes me feel a lot less stressed. But we're gonna try to get all the plants to the ground so I would not forget which plants. And this is from like the Variegated philodendron. Like, look at that beauty. And it's pretty humid in here. Like, can you guys see those air roots right there? Yes. Okay. So this is the Variegated Epiperyllium. Like I said, that's the coffee stain. This carpet's a little bit dirty. I do want to go and clean it. There's another coffee stain over there. Drink coffee like twice a day. Been here for almost a year. There's bound to be some spills of me being a little bit clumsy. Okay, and then here is a Parito Verde, which I just finished watering and fertilizing. Looking pretty good. And then what else do we have in here? And here we go. Also, this plant had mealybugs, like really bad, and I made my little own mixture and I sprayed it, and all the plants in here as well. The mixture was like half water, half rubbing alcohol with Dawn dish soap. He ran. That was so weird. This little guy. What's wrong, Papa? ¿Qué tienes, Papa? You doing okay? By the way, that pastely has like eggs, so I need to go and clean that up. But do I have any plants in here from the Aroid Asia? I don't think so. This video's like all over the damn place. Look at this leaf. Damn, why are they just putting out some gorgeous leaves? Look at that. Oh my god, I've never seen that before. So like there's always like a little bit of green on the sides, but this one has like such a beauty. Some of y'all might say, David, I always see that in my collection. Well, I haven't seen that in my collection. Okay, there's none in here that I need to go and place in the ground, so I'll give you guys some updates. Where's the other one? Oh, Kisan. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Here's this one. It's gonna be a pain in the butt to place them back, because they sent me like 8 plants, so I'm trying to count them all. So here's this other one. That new leaf is taking its sweet time to put out. Okay, and then there's a couple more, I think so. I literally forgot what they sent. But looking in here is gonna remind me. I'm pretty sure there was another one, no? Oh no, más eran 4. That was 8, or that's from Aroid Market, because it's Aroid Asia and Aroid Market. Wait, I think there was only 4 then. I said 8. I'm so dumb. Wait, really? That was it? Seguro, Davi. I feel like there's one that's missing. But no, if not, I would have seen it. And I don't recall like throwing a plant away because it was dead. There was one, which I'm gonna give you guys an update on right now. I think that's it. Just love looking in here. It looks so damn nice. And this guy looks so bad, and now it's putting out some new leaves. But this is not a plant update video. I might do that one later on. Today is going to be Aroid Market with Valentino. Yes, baby. Like I said, those are coffee stains. I know Walmart sells like machines. You can like rent and you can clean your carpet with it. I want to go ahead and get one of those. Also, my tripod is like messed up right now. It's literally broken. This is not gonna work. But I'm gonna give you guys some talking about each plant, and then I'll go this looks so bad, and then I'll go and give you guys some close shots So, baby, we can't cut it right now, my love bunny. I need to film so I can buy your cat litter and stuff like that. Okay, so I guess we can start with this guy. No? Yeah, sure. So this is, I'm gonna put all the names on the screen because I honestly forgot the names of some of these. But this one was a variegated, please, ahorita no. Variegated Epiphyalium, something like that. It looked a lot like a super blue. As I can see, it looks really bad. There is no leaves. But when it came in, it was very damaged. And all the leaves literally fell off. But it had a really good root system. But from what I noticed, there is some new shoots coming in. Maybe I'm just being delusional, but delusional. Papi, por favor, ahorita no. And like I said, I'm gonna show you guys. Maybe you guys can let me know. But I've been seeing this little peek through coming in through a node, and it's looking a lot bigger, which is making me super duper happy. This is the Pariso Verde. It looks the same. It is still just the way it is. The leaves do feel really, really firm, which is a good sign that it's not rotting compared to this one, which I will talk about in a bit. And yeah, there is like this little pokey thing over here. Y'all see that? I'm not sure if it's a new leaf pulling through. It hasn't put out, that hasn't grown at all, and it hasn't really done much. But yeah, it's just doing this and it's not doing anything. I noticed that the tips like on the ends of the plant. I guess I'll just like show you guys up close. So here's this one that I was talking about. Do y'all see that? Boo boo, por favor, ahorita no. No, sir. Give me a second, please. That little tip right there, like on the second node, there is something poking through. It wasn't there before. And I think it's developing, you guys. Like, I'm super duper excited. It is getting some really good grow lights, and it is pretty humid in here and warm. So I am praying and hoping and manifesting that it will put out some new shoots. Guys, I really think that's a new shoot coming in. Sorry, like Valentina's kicking my hands. Yeah. I'm just really excited. Like, I really do hope it grows because it's such a beautiful dang plant. Here's a Pariso Verde, variegated, I think so. So here's a little thing that I was talking about. It just looks like that. What I did notice is the edges of the leaves are like a little bit like red. I don't know if you guys can see that. I hope it's not dying because it is a beautiful plant. I don't know, every time I film, he just wants attention. Like, boo boo, Valentino, ahorita no, por favor. It just looks so damn cute. Like, I love it when he gets with this because I just love cuddling with him and being with him. But I'm trying to film with one hand and then the other hand show you guys the plants. And he always does this whenever I film. Whenever I'm just talking to the phone, I don't know. But there's a lot of fur. Yes, it's a beautiful damn Gorgeoness plant, and I'm hoping that it will just grow and develop more leaves. I feel like a lot of these plants are in shock todavía, and they're still adjusting, so I'm pretty sure once they get adjusted, they will put out some beautiful growth. I'll keep you guys updated as always. And then here is this other one. I forgot the name of this one. It will be on the screen. This is from the I think it was cold damage or shipping. I don't know, but it was on the post office for DHL, like in the office for a while. Even then, I think it's still alive, you know. But that's not the damage. I haven't cut off the leaves because, well, I don't know. Like, I feel like it's still sucking up the nutrients. I might cut this part like over here, las tijeras, and that's it. But there's this new leaf coming in, which I'm super duper excited. It was very like small and pokey when I first got it, but I think, or maybe because I keep staring at it, I don't know. Maybe it is doing something, but or not. Yeah, sweetie. But I think it's gonna, like, you know, put out a new shoot. That looks like a new leaf to me, right? I don't know. Like I said, I'll keep you guys updated as always. This might be the last video, like a dedicated Aroid Asia update video. But I try to like film every single week and a update video, if not every single, like twice or once every single 2 weeks. Really, it's a really, really pretty plant. So that's on this guy. And now the last one. So again, it will be on the screen. This was a little bit longer, but in one of the pieces it was rotting, and it was like in the nodes that was rotting. It was like 2 nodes above, like this node, and there was another one, and then another one. And oh, sweetie, please, no, por favor. Oh, you're so mean. If I don't give him attention, he just starts knocking my plants down. Like last time, like I was ignoring him, he literally took a shit on my money tree. And now he's walking away because I'm talking bad about him. What are you smelling, Papa? Oh my god, he's a crazy cat. I love him. Alrighty, so yeah, those first two nodes, the first one was rotting, so there was no way to save that node. And the second one, it was still there, and I ended up placing the cuttings in water, and it was still rotting, and I ended up placing them in sphagnum moss, and it was rotting even more. Those two pieces are gone. I only have this too, but now it feels pretty firm, I think so. I feel a little bit of like, you know, not so firm. But I'm letting this dry out now between waterings. I just water, as you guys can tell, it's a little bit moist. Or I watered like 2 days ago. As you can see, the terracotta pot is a little bit wet. It's not dry. And I do love that a lot of these plants are in terracotta except this guy. Because like, so the roots can have air. But yeah, and I'm hoping I can see like a new shoot. I think it's way too early to notice. I might place some sphagnum moss like on this little air node over here so it can grow, you know. I might do that because I really like, look at this beautiful plant, you guys. It's so, I got dirt in my hands. It's so damn pretty, so pretty. And it's even like in the, I don't know what we call these, the stems or something, but it's a pretty plant, and it would be such a shame if I lose it. But yeah, that's basically the update of these guys. I'm honestly like kind of happy. It's kind of fun. I mean, these were sent by Aroid Asia as like a gift and an unboxing for me to unbox to y'all. This is a perfect thumbnail. Yeah, so if I can save them, that would be amazing, and you know, pretty exciting and fun. If not, it's okay. It's perfectly fine. But I really don't have anything else to say. They're gonna go back, and those grow lights right there, and just letting them, you know, adjust to their new environment so they can stay happy. I have fertilized all of these so they can have a little bit of a boost. I don't know if that's the right thing to do. People say not to like fertilize plants until like they're established or whatever, but I do it regardless because I don't know, I'm Nesio and I like to experiment with my plants. That's basically it, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed today's new video. I know it was kind of off a little bit, but I did want to give you guys an update on these plants from Aroid Asia. And I will have the link below if you guys want to go and check out what kind of plants they have available. But I think they're doing great. They haven't died, which makes me kind of happy. I feel like there's one that's missing. Or no, I'm probably just being a little bit delusional. I don't know, like there's just a lot of plants in here. And to be honest with you, I haven't really been in my plant room for that long. I've been working, I've been very busy. If not, when I'm at home, I'm always just like cleaning, organizing things, or setting up Christmas decor. But yeah, it's a pretty crazy month. We just started December, but yeah, the holidays are just there, stressing a lot of us out. But our plants are gonna keep us calm and happy. So if you guys enjoyed today's new video, if you did, this good big thumbs up to let me know that you want to see more videos like this one. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe because like, I mean, if you want to, you don't have to if you don't want to. But we do a lot of like plenty content, so if you enjoy that, consider joining us. And staying positive, I see every single one of y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!